Okay, I'm gonna have to kick you.
If you do that, Wyatt, you will regret it for the rest of your life.
Dude.
I'm broadcasting right now. Please don't say
Trust
anything.
me, you're not gonna regret it.
Bro, I could say so much stuff about you right now.
If you do, it will not be fun. Okay, whatever.
You gotta call me out behind the screen.
Whoa, you know, bird.
Jacob, you watching my broadcast? You watching my broadcast, bro?
Yes.
Yeah, I wanna see your broadcast.
Yeah, totally.
Bro, your broadcast.
Jacob, are you in speech?
I'm not fussed. I'm anti-vegan in the name.
Oh my gosh.
You.
It's echoing so bad.
Jacob, mute me.
Oh yeah, let me just mute my mic.
Okay.
Please do.
Let's play hide and seek, boy.
Bro.
Okay, hold on. You're secret, or you want a 1v1 for it, okay? Which one?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, this is so grainy.
Which one is it, Wyatt?
Hold on.
You can kill me instantly, because I'm putting the health to 30. But Wyatt,
Hey,
you can use that. You can use it.
Look in chat. Look in chat.
Why did you join my stream? No, Wyatt, this is not. This is no. Look
in chat.
No, that's no good. Wyatt, what did you just comment? Wyatt,
Oh, hey, look in chat.
Wyatt, no. Wyatt. I mean, bet.
Wait, what?
Bet.
Hey, I might have to leave.
Oh, Chelsea, Daddy, you can leave. There's 3 people!
That's me.
Wait, so you have 2 accounts?
Bruh, this delay is so bad.
Don't mind me, Wyatt. Just doing something real quick.
Dude.
Okay, Wyatt, you're secret.
Okay, hold on. Oh, AIDS. I'm in the chat still.
There you go. The frick?
Oh my gosh. Your chat's gonna be spammed. Oh my gosh. I could call you out for so much stuff. You know, he keeps me
Let me just do something real quick.
Should I call you out?
If you do, I'm gonna block you.
People will be looking at this screen just like...
Jacob, my voice thing isn't working.
This is actually... I'm using this first class robot.
Oh, never mind, it works. Okay, wait, hold on.
What you sending me, Adrian?
Just gonna get flagged.
Okay, I'm ready. Oh shit, never mind.
You just got ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm kind of scared.
You can come seek. God dang it.
You're so bad. That was the worst hiding spot, bro. I literally looking at your body. It's so ugly. The tattoo.
Let me try to do this.
Is it everyone here yet?
Oh shoot.
Hello, everybody.
Oh,
Okay, back.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Miss
Hello.
Wizard of Oz.
Miss Huff. I mean,
I'm not Miss Huff.
I became this time.
Say that again?
Miss Underwood. Sometimes his mom said Underwood's here and he came.
I am here, yes. He must have summoned me with his great powers, right?
Yeah.
Wonder where you could
Alright
be.
guys, we're gonna start off today by checking those
Are
two
you
questions
still
I
having
asked you to
that
do on the
open
front
there?
of the lesson 15 homework. Trenton, I need you to remember when you're done talking to hit your mute button please, because you're still got your volume on. Thank you. Alright guys, give me a second to bring my camera up. I had to wait for the other teacher to come down to my room so that I could come down to the empty room and log in with you guys. Give me 1 second, okay?
I'll see you. I'll see you.
Abandoned us. No, I'm here. Just sometimes it takes me a minute to get down the hall. Yesterday my computer decided it was going to restart itself as soon as I opened it up, so that's what made me late yesterday. Okay. I got my camera on. I'm going to go ahead and bring up that homework page that we did last night. And Makai, can you unmute and tell me if you can see my workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, darling. I can see it.
Yeah, that goes down.
Alright, let me zoom in so you guys can see this better. And you'll notice I didn't do mine ahead of time, and there's a reason. The reason is today because I wanted to be able to actually model for you guys one more time how we should have done this process. Because after we finish our lesson today, I'm going to be posting an exit ticket for you guys to do. And I want to just make sure again that you guys have another opportunity to see me do that exit ticket, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. And I just want to remind you guys that I am recording this session so that I will know who is here and who's leaving early. If you have a technology issue and you get bumped out of the meeting, please remember just to go ahead and send me a message if you can't get back in. Or send me a message and let me know what happened so I don't think you just disappeared and mark you guys not here, okay? Alright, so, first problem. We had 7/10, so we should have gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7/10 to set up our place value chart. If I look at my equation, our divisor that I'm dividing by is 4, so that means we need 4 sections on the chart. Break them up into groups. I'm going to draw 4 lines here to make those 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to write the letters that help me remember how to divide right here so that I don't forget the steps. So now it looks like we're ready to start the question. So we're going to take the 7/10 and put them in 4 equal groups. So you should have crossed each one out one at a time and distributed them equally. Now, I can't put any more tenths there because I only have 3 and I've got 4 groups. So at this point, I saw that there is 1 tenth in each group. We didn't have any 1s, and I've got to remember my decimal point here between the 1s and the tenths place. So now that I've divided and I know I have 1/10 in each group, I've done divide. I'm going to do multiply next.
Oh my gosh,
So 1 times 4 would give us 4, which means we used all 4 discs there. And 7 minus 4 would be our next step, subtract, and that leaves us with 3. And here they are right here. I've got 2 on the bottom and then 1 right there. So now, if I remember correctly, my next step is bring down. I don't have anything in the hundredths, but I'm about to, because remember I'm going to be decomposing these 3/10 into hundredths. So I'm going to go ahead and show that I had none there. And then I'm going to bring that 0 down for my bring down part. And that also tells me what I was predicting, that these 3/10 will actually end up being 30 hundredths. And that makes sense, because 1 gives me 10 hundredths, 2 would give me 20 hundredths, so 3 would give me 30 hundredths. Alright, so now Miss Underwood gets to draw 30 hundredths. I hope you guys had a better time than I did with this last night. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. That actually looks like an array from 3rd grade. 5 by 6 means it's 30 discs. Okay.
Concussion.
So now we're going to start again with the process divide. So we're going to divide our 30 discs into 4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, oops, that was 26, 27, and 28. So you'll notice, we used 28. I have 2 discs left out of the 30. So now we're going to go and put it in our standard algorithm. So we did divide. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 discs in each group. So now we're going to do our multiply part. 7 times 4 means we use 28 discs altogether.
Concussion.
Subtract that out, and you'll notice 30 minus 28 leaves me with 2 hundredths, just like the 2 hundredths there. Well, I can't leave that 2 hundredths down there at the bottom. I have to regroup them over here to the thousands. I also have to put a 0 there now for my thousandths place, since there aren't any thousandths yet. But we already know these 2 hundredths are going to come over there and make thousandths. And it should be 20 thousandths. And that's right, because that would be 2 sets of 10. So I'm going to draw my 20 thousandths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Ooh, my hand hurts. Okay, so now we're going to start over again with divide, and we're going to put those 20 discs in 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm actually looking here. I see one group of 5 right here, so I'm just going to put that whole group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's another group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have another group of 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 4th group of 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I was able to do that this time because I had exactly the right amount of discs, and I made 4 groups of 5 already, so I knew they would go equally. So now I'm going to count and see how many are in each group. You can see there are now 5 in each group, so that would be our divide part. 5 times 4 for multiply would give us 20. And I got to subtract. 20 minus 20 leaves me with no discs. And I'm just going to make sure I don't have any other numbers to bring down. I don't have any leftover discs to regroup. So our quotient would have been 175 thousandths. Does anyone have a question about question 1A? Questions about question 1A?
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna keep it moving then. I hope you got that one right. Alright, looking at our next problem. Somebody have a question? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and look at our next question. I see 8 1/10 divided by 5. Well, I'm gonna make my 5 groups here first, just because that's gonna take a lot of room. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I'm going to draw my discs. So I see 8 1s, 6, 7, 8 ones.
Dude, when I one punch you,
And
that was so funny.
110.
Hold on, you're fine.
Put some more, that was